channel, G Kids.
Okay, perfect. So we'll put this deluxe Buzz right here. Let's get this projectile back on over here. And look how awesome this looks. Mission equipped Buzz Lightyear. We have his wings that we definitely remember from Toy Story. But we have this blaster. It's like a rocket launcher bazooka that we have like Space Age 1. So again, we have, this is clearly a theme. You know, this karate chop action. So, let me see. What do we have it called over here? We said action chop is what we called it. Squeeze legs. And see, it says gear up. Press the blast. We just open that. I was looking to see if it said anywhere. As far as action chop, I'm not seeing that anywhere on here. Interesting though, right? Okay, so on the big one and the small one. So let's cut him out. And wow, this is a pretty heavy duty one right here. Let's see if we can cut this without messing up our Buzz. There we go. Awesome. Let's get the wings out. Let's see if I can find a little crease in the seam. Oh, and we have the dome, the top part for his helmet. Let's see, this isn't going to come out easily, so probably going to have to give me a second so I can wedge this underneath. There we go. Alright, give me just a second. Okay. Oh, there we go. Got that part. What about down here where this blaster is? And his helmet. The dome part for his helmet. Let's get that out. Alright, perfect. Look at that. Okay, awesome. So, look at our Buzz. Looks pretty great. Get closer. Let's look at the sculpt. Look how awesome that looks. Alright, so we're able to turn his head. And can we, yeah, we can pivot it a little bit. Look at that. You can lean a little bit forward and back, which is something we haven't been able to do with the other figures. This arm goes this far out, this far in, and this elbow actually turns out and in like that. We do move at the waist, but it's so that we can be doing that action chop motion, squeezing the legs together. Do we have a knee joint? We do, which I guess would be kind of weird with that action chop. But we're able to, we can move the legs forward and still, I was like, can we still squeeze them? The legs are forward? I guess not. The legs do have a joint so that they can move out. So we can still pose pretty well. Good. And then, so let's see. For the helmet, we can put this right in here. Oh, I'm not putting it backwards, am I? Maybe I am. Look at that. Let's put the back then. The front, right here. Are these magnets or screws? Either way, put this right here. Look how cool that looks. And I'm like, oh wow, okay. So we can put the wings down. We don't have a button that can open it. That would be really cool, but still, just to be able to pose it like that is awesome. But that's super cool. And they're even small. So it would be reminiscent of the action figure. Let's see what we got right here. Who knows what this is? Without the movie being out yet, wouldn't be able to tell you, but that's super cool. This beautiful detail. And what about this? So let me look at the picture again so I can see exactly how you're supposed to hold this. There we go. So he holds it like that over his head and then shoots that. Wow, this one does shoot out pretty intense also. So this goes right on in here. I wonder if the other ones fit it too. Let's see. Nope, different size. And I mean, yeah, no, it's too short. But you hear how loud that is? Okay, so we put this right here in his hand. Just like it shows right there. Bring it up like that. Wow, that's pretty intense. And then why does it have that peg right there? I'm not seeing anything that really shows that peg. Alright, well either way. I'm like, is that peg so that maybe it can go here? I mean, it fits, but I don't know if it's really supposed to go there. But put this back on over here. There we go. What are your thoughts on how that looks? Pretty cool, huh? And there we are. Let's see if we're in scale to our Cyclops. That's pretty awesome. What are your thoughts? Okay, cool. Let's keep this moving. And I actually would like to do, I think, the spaceship now. Zurg spaceship. I'm gonna clear this off right here. And let's do just that.